Begin by removing the center tunnel brace. You'll need to lower or remove the exhaust in order to access the drive shaft. Support the exhaust. Remove the two hangers below the rear differential. For the hangers at the very back, you can either unbolt them from each side of the car or pull the hangers off using a pull hook tool, also known as a donut stretcher tool. Then, you'll need to unbolt the center exhaust flange. Depending on the condition of your car, it may take some effort to remove these bolts. If they are seized like ours, we recommend intentionally breaking the bolts and punching them out and replacing them with new hardware. Pull the back half of the exhaust off of the car. Remove the heat shield separating the exhaust and the drive shaft, and then you will have access to the Driveshaft carrier. Make a cut to each side of the carrier frame. Using a razor blade, cut the rest of the frame away from the bearing. Unbolt the frame from the car, but hang on to the two small spacers for reuse. Pull the outer frame off of the bearing. Then cut the remaining excess rubber hanging off the front of the bearing, all the way around until it's flush with the base layer of rubber at the back of the bearing. Your bearing should look like this when you're done. To install the new carrier, start with the top half, with the bushing in it, and slide it over top of the bearing with the text facing the front of the vehicle. Then bring the bottom half up to meet it, and connect the two together using the provided Allen bolts. Loctite is recommended. As you tighten the bolts, switch back and forth from left to right so the bolts don't bind in the holes. A small gap may form between the two bushings. This is normal. To mount it to the car, take a provided shoulder bolt, add a fender washer, an isolation damper with the small end facing up, place it up through the carrier, add another damper with the small end facing down. The small gold washer in your kit is unused here. Instead, use the OEM spacers that you put aside during removal. Thread that into the car and repeat these steps on the other side. Bolt, fender washer, isolation damper with the small end facing up through the carrier, another damper facing down, and the OEM spacer on top. Tighten both sides to the car. Reinstall your heat shield, exhaust, and tunnel brace, and your installation is complete.